Now, let's do the queries with the help of design view. All of you know that we can create queries by three methods: with the help of design view, with the help of wizard, and third one is with the help of SQL view. First, let's do the queries with the help of design view. I just click in it. Now, it shows this kind of box, add table or query. Means before create the query, first you have to add the tables because we want to fetch the data from the tables. That's why we have to add the table. Suppose we want to add all these three tables. This table also I want to add, and this table I also want to add. Clear? I add all three tables here. Otherwise, if you want to fetch the data from only student record, you can add only student record. In this way, even in place of three tables, it's according to your requirement. If you want to fetch data from one table, then you can add one table. If you want to take the data from two tables, you can add here two tables. It's totally depends on your requirement. Now, after add the three tables, I'm going to close this table. Now, here you can see, first you have to add the table. Means कौन सी table से आपको data fetch करना है? Suppose I want to fetch the data from student record. And student record से कौन सा field fetch करना है? Then you will click here. Suppose I want roll number. Clear? And then it will ask from me sorting, whether you want to use the sorting ascending and descending order में. Do you want to sort data? Suppose I click here, yes, I want to add data into a ascending order. After that, here you can see, here is a visible property. Visible means it will show roll number to you. Clear? Suppose first I just need roll number. After that you can run the query. Means हमने query बना दी, हमें रोल नंबर चाहिए, कौन से टेबल से चाहिए? वो स्टूडेंट रिकॉर्ड टेबल से चाहिए और सिर्फ असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में चाहिए और वो विजिबल होना चाहिए. क्लियर? वी जस्ट सेट 4 वैल्यूज फॉर दिस फील्ड. नाउ रन द क्वेरी. Here you can see run query option is here, and this is run query. Even you can also use the shortcut key, that is F5. Now I'm going to run the query. You can see here it shows the roll numbers. Clear? Now, next, suppose that I also need the field that is when I click on entire record, it will show me the entire record of student table. But if I just click on one, suppose I just need only name. Here I can select roll number. Suppose one more field I need, that is name. Here you can search, because I added 3 tables, that's why it's creating little bit problem. In place of add the 3 tables, let's just add only one table, because it's creating little bit trouble. Suppose I just add here student record. Now it will become more clear to you. I just add table, field name, which field I need. Suppose I just need here roll number, and from table, that is your student record table. Sorting, I need the sorting in ascending order, then click on visible. After that, run the query like this. It shows the roll number, and suppose I also need the name of the student. You will click on next field. Here you will select the name, then name of the table, then click on visible. Again run the query. It shows that roll number and name. Means in this way you can select the selected data from the table. Now here you can see criteria properties also here. In criteria you can set, suppose that मुझे roll number चाहिए जिसके equal to 3 or equal to 3 हो, means जिसका roll number 3 है, I just want only that record. How I can do? I just click on 3. Again run the query. Now you can see it show me the record of the student whose roll number is 3. But suppose मुझे 3 और roll number 9 का data चाहिए, then how I can do? In criteria you will write here 3, and in or suppose मुझे 9 roll number का भी data चाहिए, you will write down that value in or field and again run the query. Now it shows me roll number 3 and roll number 9. Suppose मुझे roll number 5 का भी data चाहिए, I just click here 5 and then click on this. It will show me the data according to this. Clear, my dear student? How to add the query with the help of design view. I hope this point is clear to you. Now I'm going to close this. It will ask for me confirmation. Do you want to save these changes? If I click on yes, it will give, I have to set the name for the query. Suppose मैं इसका नाम लिख देती हूँ QWE query design view. Means मैंने ये query design view से बनाई है. Clear? Here is a query. Whenever you run that query, it shows record here like this. Clear? Now come to the next type of query, that is with the help of wizard. Means how we can create the query with the help of wizard. Just click on it. Use wizard to create query. First you have to select the table. कौन सी table से आपको query बनानी है? Suppose मुझे student detail table से बनानी है. और student detail table में मेरे कौन से field हैं? Roll number, student name, birth date, address, hobby, cities. Means which field I need in my query. Suppose मुझे roll number चाहिए. Select the field and then click on this. And मुझे student name भी चाहिए. Click on this. Suppose मुझे उसका birth date भी चाहिए और मुझे उसकी hobbies चाहिए. I just need these 4 data. Clear? After that, click on next. Now it will ask from you sorting. Do you want to do the sorting? मैंने कहा yes, I need sorting according to roll number wise, and I want to set data into ascending order. Click on next. Now it will ask from you select the search condition. We don't want to set any search condition. That's why we just click on next. Now it will ask from you select the type of query. कि आपको detail query चाहिए, summary form में चाहिए, but we need detail query. Again click on next. Now it will ask from you assign aliases if desired. कि आपको aliases करना है, means name change करना है. जैसे birth date है, आपको लिखना हो date of birth. Hobbies है, if you want to change hobby of student, means if you want to rename these cells, then you can write down here. But I don't want to alias. डेट ऑफ बर्थ को लिख देते हैं. चलो हम डेट ऑफ बर्थ चाहिए हमें, ठीक है. देन क्लिक ऑन नेक्स्ट. नाउ इट विल शो यू चेक द ओवरव्यू एंड डिसाइड हाउ टू प्रोसीड. डिस्प्ले करने क्वेरी मॉडिफाई, बट आई वांट टू डिस्प्ले द क्वेरी. देन क्लिक ऑन फिनिश. नाउ इट शोइंग मी डाटा, रोल नंबर, स्टूडेंट नेम, डेट ऑफ बर्थ. मैंने ऑफ ऐड किया था. यू कैन सी हियर इज द ऑफ and then hobbies are here. Clear? How to create the query with the help of design view? Sorry, how to create query with the help of table wizard. In this way, we can create the query with the help of wizard. Now, again, I am going to close this. Here it is. जो हमने query बनाई थी student detail की. Again we run. Again it shows the same data to us. Next, one more type of query is here. Select query in SQL view. SQL view में बेटे you have to type by yourself. Suppose that let's do the table name. Table का नाम है student record. Now let's do the query in SQL view. This kind of screen will appear. You have to write down query here. Suppose I want to see this whole detail of student record table. Then how I can do? I will write select star from student record. Clear? Then I run the query. It show me the all data from the student record table. If we click here star, it means that show all the data from student record. But मुझे सारा data नहीं चाहिए. I just need roll number, comma, name. मुझे सिर्फ roll number और name चाहिए. Again run the query. It show me roll number and name. Clear, my dear student? I hope all these points are clear to you. How to create query. Suppose मुझे स्टूडेंट रिकॉर्ड नहीं, मुझे किसी और टेबल से डाटा फाइंड आउट करना है, then how I can do. Suppose that मुझे चाहिए स्टूडेंट डिटेल टेबल, सब्जेक्ट डिटेल टेबल से, सब्जेक्ट डिटेल, सेलेक्ट स्टार करेंगे हम यहाँ पे पहले, by which we come to know that which fields are there in subject detail. Again run the query. In subject detail what are there? There is only subject ID and subject name. Suppose मुझे सारे फील्ड नहीं देखने हैं, मुझे सिर्फ सब्जेक्ट आईडी देखनी है, सब्जेक्ट नेम I just want to see. Write down here and again run the query like this. It show me only subject name. Clear my dear student? And ऐसे ही आपको अगर सारा डाटा चाहिए, स्टार फ्रॉम, सपोज मुझे चाहिए स्टूडेंट रिकॉर्ड से, स्टूडेंट रिकॉर्ड, you can do like this and then run query. Clear? In this way you can do the queries. And अगर आपको यहाँ पे भी कंडीशन लगानी है कि मुझे रोल नंबर 3 से 8 के बीच में जिसका रोल नंबर है सिर्फ उसका डाटा चाहिए, सेलेक्ट स्टार फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट रिकॉर्ड वेयर रोल नंबर इक्वल टू 3. If you do like this कि रोल नंबर जिसका 3 है मुझे सिर्फ उसका डाटा चाहिए, then how you can do, you can write down the query and write condition like this. Here it is showing me roll number 3, and even if you want to suppose roll number greater than 3, जिसका भी roll number 3 से बड़ा है उन सबका मुझे डाटा चाहिए, then how we can do, we just write here select star from student record where roll number greater than 3. Clear my dear student? I hope all these points are clear to you. This is all about your session number 4. In session number 4 what was there? There is different types of queries. Means design view में how to create the query, and with the help of wizard how to create the query, and in SQL view how we can create the query. Now when I going to close this, it will ask for me the query has been changed. Do you want to save changes? I just click on yes. Now it will ask me for the name of the query. Suppose we write here SQL view query, because we create this query with the help of SQL view. That's why I write here SQL view query. Now you can see in queries we create 3 different type of queries with the help of design view, with the help of wizard, and with the help of SQL view.